Hey everyone, welcome to the Railer channel. Today I'll show you what to do if an app won't download from the App Store. First, go to Settings, then Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure it's enabled. Next, find iTunes and App Store Purchases. Under Installing Apps, ensure it's set to Allow. All features should be allowed here. If that doesn't work, try turning on airplane mode for 15 seconds. If all else fails, restart your phone by holding the power and volume buttons until it reboots. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Vela signing off. See you next time.